Today we are going to study cubic system. We know that there are three types of cubic system. First, simple cubic unit cell. Then second, body centered cubic unit cell. And then third, face centered cubic unit cell. First, simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell. Here, a simple cubic unit cell has particles at the 8 corners. 8 corners. When this unit cell come close together at each corner of a given unit cell is shared with other 7 neighboring cubes that comes together. So each corner contribute 1/8 portion of the particle. So number of particles present in simple cubic unit cell are 1/8 into 8 equal to 1. So here one atom is contributed in simple cubic unit cell. Here 8 particles are present which are come close together. Actually their 1/8 portion is present at each corner of cube. In this way this remaining portion will touch with other particles. So actually in this way 1/8 portion of each atom is present at 8 corners of cube. So number of particles present in simple cubic unit cell is 1/8 into 8 equal to 1. Then second, body centered cubic unit cell. In body centered cubic unit cell, a simple like simple cubic cell, it has also 8 corners. In addition with one atom is present at the center of cube. Here one atom is present at the center of cube. So here at the corners 1/8 portion of atom is present at 8 corners of cube. In addition with one atom is present at the center of cube, which is not shared with any other cube. So here in this diagram one atom is present in the center of that cube and one atom is present at the 8 corners of cube. So at each corner 1/8 portion of that atom is present. So 1/8 into 8 plus one complete atom present at the center of cube. So in this way 1/8 into 8 plus one atom. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 atoms are present in body centered cubic unit cell. And then third, face centered cubic unit cell. It has particles at the 8 corners of cubic cell. In addition with each of the faces at the atoms are present on the 6 faces of that unit cell. Each face acquire half atom in this way. One atom is shared with other cube. So there are 6 faces. So each face acquire half atom and one atom is contributed at the 8 corners of cube. So total number of atoms present in face centered cubic cell is equal to 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 into 6. So one atom is present at the 8 corners of cube and 3 atoms are present on the 6 faces of that cube. Each face acquire half atom. So in this way total number of atoms are 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 into 6. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4 atoms are present in face centered cubic cell. Thank you.